Good morning, student. Good morning to you to our online class sponsored by Kamdev Sadhana Public School, Singiri Bazar, Ari. Dear student, we have been continuing our online class in spite of almost all troubles, in spite of severe COVID-19. Now, we are just going to our last steps. Soon after it, we will start revision. Just you see, look at the blackboard, direct and indirect speech, narration. It means narration is the single one to express direct and indirect speech. Rule 6, indirect or interrogative sentence. That means how to change direct speech into indirect speech when the sentence is in interrogative sentence. You know, there are two types of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence introduced by WH words, interrogative sentence introduced by S no forms or helping verbs, which is called S no form of interrogative sentence. Now we discuss only about S no form of question sentence. General rules. Look at it. Interrogatives are changed into assertive sentence. The first and foremost rule. Interrogatives are changed into assertive sentence. अर्थात जो interrogative sentence थिबा ताकू indirect speech कला वालू सेटा assertive sentence थिबा. Verbs are changed to their normal place. आज in assertive sentence. Assertive sentence में verb और place जितनी थिला subject परे verb होतिला ठीक से का verb रहे. था subject verb and tense of verb are changed as traditional. अर्थात subject verb और tense of verb are changed as traditional. What is the traditional way? The traditional way, that means the rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are known as here as traditional way. When the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in the past tense. What is the change? Present simple to past simple, present imperfect to past imperfect, present perfect to past perfect, present perfect progressive to past perfect progressive. When reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in past tense. What is the change? Past simple to past perfect, past progressive to past progressive, perfect progressive, past perfect to past perfect, past perfect progressive to past perfect progressive. When reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, there is no change of tense of the reported speech. This is what we call traditional. Interrogation marks is removed and full stop is used. And another thing, in case of interrogative sentence, the reporting verb said changed into asked, wanted to know, question, inquiry, demand, like that. And it is connected by the conjunction if or whether. Just look at this. Indirect or yes no questions. Change of yes no questions into indirect speech. अर्थात yes no form of sentence में questions जो था, how to change it into indirect speech. We use either if or whether as conjunction. तो reporting verb और reported speech को join करिए अपन. We use conjunction if or whether. So when reported speech is in question sentence and question sentence is introduced by helping verb, अर्थात reported speech is question sentence सभा question sentence है जदी helping verb द्वारा introduce है तब reporting verb are changed into ask, wanted to know, question, demand, inquiry, and reported speech and reporting verb are connected by if or whether. Look at the blackboard. That speech. He said to me, "Are you well?" In that speech, he asked me if I was well. He said to me, "Is he an honest man?" Present progressive, past progressive about the reporting verb said. He asked or wanted to know or question if he was an honest man. Rama said to Hari, "Have you ever been to Puri?" Here the sentence is in present perfect and the reporting verb said, so it must be changed into past perfect. Rama asked Hari if I had. Sari, Ramo, at Hari. If he had. If he had ever been to Puri. Dear students, it is very easy to change S-no form of sentence when into indirect speech. अर्थात डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे यदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे S-no form of sentence था इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करिगला को कोन करिबा प्रथमे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सेड जगह रे क्वेश्चन करिवो वांटेड टू नो करिवो आस्क करि परिवो इंक्वायरी करि परिवो डिमांड कर दे परिवो देन the reporting verb and reported speech is connected by conjunction is or whether. Then the question sentence can be converted into an assertive sentence. If it is written as is he an honest man, you have to convert it. You wanted to know the question that he was an honest man, and this interrogative verb is replaced by full stop. This is what the general change. How to change interrogative sentence into interrogative sentence in yes/no form in indirect speech. Thank you, students. Try to remember it. If you are in trouble or if you do not understand me, अर्थात तुम्हें यदि बुझी पाता किसी तुम्हारा असुविधा होती, then call me in my cell 9090614099. Thank you.